Yeah, good morning, everyone. Welcome to CloudFlow Green. In this session, we'll see how to compose an email campaign using MailChimp. Okay, we'll see here the plain email campaign. First, to start with plain email campaign, how to send. So why did we choose a MailChimp as a platform to send the email marketing? See, here in this, rather we can send the mails using Gmail, Rediff mail, etc. Right? Here we can send the mails, bulk mails. Say 2000 contacts at a stretch, you can send the mails. You can send the mails in a batches. You can create your own template, email template, and you can make use of it while designing the email campaign and send the bulk email. That's the reason we are using MailChimp for creating the email campaigns. Okay, so this is a user-friendly platform where you can create the email campaigns. Once you log in, this is a log. Once you'll get this screen. So this is the to create the campaign, email campaign. So let's start with. So click on create. See, you can create the emails campaign, regular plain text, and you can create the template, that is design the template, and you can make use of it later. Here the other features you can make use of, can create a sign up form, survey like surveymonkey.com, you can place the ad, create the ad, and post social post and the postcard. These are the other features of the MailChimp. Main thing we use it for the email campaigns. So here to start with, I'll show you how to create the plain text email campaign. So go to click on email, then click on plain text. Yeah, why do you want to send an email for a user? See, we have to keep the user engaged by sending the newsletter or by for maybe promotional ads. Okay, or any new product is launched, you can send the email marketing, right? So enter the email campaign name, say test campaign, campaign 2 for cloud for green. So click on begin. Yeah, first step here is you can add the subscribers. Subscriber is the one where you have to add the to whom you have to send the mail. Okay, so click on next. Yeah, this is the campaign where campaign details. Okay, you can see email subject. This is limited to the 150 characters. Okay, see any user, if you say a user seeing the subject line, they'll decide whether to open the mail or not, right? So the subject line should be very attractive to the user. See here, say digital marketing course, avail discount, free digital marketing course, digital marketing course. So next to that is the, we can add the emoji sub icons also, but it is not recommended because it does, all the supports may not, browsers may not be supported. So we can add the preview text. This preview text should be linked with the subject line because this preview text will be displayed below the subject line. Then we can say avail discount. Avail discount. Discount on digital marketing course. So from whom you are sending this mail? That is from my name, Shailaja. So the address, from address, you can track the opens, the plain text we cannot track. Plain text, you can track the clicks. That is track the plain text clicks. And two, you can personalize the true field here. Say in case along with the email ID, you can, if you know the first name or the last name, you can personalize, or you can just ignore this field. So next step, you can say, once this campaign name, subject, preview, text, everything is added, click on next. So enter the content here. Say, welcome to Cloud4 Green. So once it is done, you can preview that how it looks by here. You can preview about by sending the mail. Okay, and so time being, I click on next. Here you can see here the audience whom you're sending the mail. If you want, you can edit subject line. I've given a digital marketing course. If anything wrong, like if anything is not entered properly, this tick mark won't be visible here. So digital marketing course is the one subject line added. Preview text, replies will go to this Gmail ID. You can tracking. I have asked them. I've chosen to track the plain text clicks. Say I'll add again plain text. I'll show you what editing the plain text. Welcome to Cloud4 Green and avail discount on digital marketing course. See here, before clicking next, you can see the preview mode. See, this is how the mail looks. This is the content what I have entered. And in the mobile also, you can have a look. This is how it shows. So I'll close this preview mode and click on next. Yes. So if everything, you can, this is a schedule button where you can schedule, that is when you want to say send this email campaign, maybe in the weekends or maybe in the Wednesdays, based on the to whom you're targeting and sending the email campaign. And now everything is ready to, now you're all set to send. So you can click on send. See, you're about to send a campaign to training is my subscriber name. So there's only one subscriber anyway, I'll send it. Yeah. So test campaign 2 for Cloud4 Green is on its way. It's still on the way to send it. You can track that in the reports, or say you can see in the all campaigns. Yeah, it is still in the, you can see the status here. It is sending. You can see the report by the time, how it looks. Yeah. If the user is 2 users, then if both have opened, it will show 100%. Similarly, if they opened and clicked, then it will show the click rate. So this open rate, click rate of the mails of this particular campaign can be tracked here. Let me go back to the campaigns just to check whether it is sent or not. Yeah, still it is sending. So this is how it will be. The mail will the plain text email campaign we can send using the MailChimp. There are other features where here we can in the campaign itself. I've said like you can create the campaign mail campaign using the regular with the with you can design your own visualize image and can add that. I'll show you in the my next video. So we'll go back here and check. Okay, still it is sending. And by the time I'll show you, like you can see the campaigns, whatever you created, track the performance, and we can design the website, that is create a landing pages and add, design the website. These are the additional features in the MailChimp they have added. But it is a user-friendly platform where bulk emails can be sent. You can click on it and you can see the content. Yeah, this is the status of the campaign overview. It's taking time. I click on the campaigns. Yeah, it is still sending. Anyway, the mail will be sent after some while. So this is how the email campaign can be created. Further in my another video, I'll just show you the how to create the email template and the other campaigns by adding the images. Images can be created using the canva.com, which is a free software. Okay, and you can use that in a MailChimp. So this is how the mail campaign can be composed and sent using the MailChimp. Stay tuned to find more. Happy learning. Thank you.